In this video, I show you restaurant-style mac and cheese you can make at home. Mac and cheese is comfort food that so many love. You love it because of how ooey gooey it is. The cheese is silky smooth and stretches from bowl to mouth with every bite. I will quickly go over the steps pros use to make theirs and show you how easy it is to make with a few simple ingredients. You can make it naturally gluten-free or vegan with a few modifications. I show you up front the secret ingredient we put into our restaurant mac and cheese. We have literally sold thousands of these with rave reviews. Look at their reactions. You can see it in their smiles. Real cravings fulfilled. Check out the end of this video. I will share with you one trick we use to make the secret ingredient perfect for use in our restaurant or your kitchen. Dine with Devin. I'm that cooking guy taking you on a culinary journey to make your favorite foods. Here are the simple ingredients we use. Cheddar cheese. I love Tillamook mild cheddar for this mac and cheese. If you have another brand you love, use it. Alternately, you could choose a vegan cheese also. Tillamook unsalted butter. Campanile pasta is what you see here, already cooked. Really, any small shape pasta would work, but I love this one because of the large flat surface of the pasta to grab onto the sauce. See the link below to buy it online if you can't find it in your local store. There's also a link to a gluten-free option. Garlic, poblano peppers, and salt and white pepper. I almost forgot the heavy cream. Use unsweetened plain soy milk as a vegan alternative if you choose. Smash the garlic and chop it finely. Roast the poblano pepper. Here you see over an open flame, or you can brush it with oil and broil in your oven. Turn them to evenly roast the skin and slightly cook the meat of the pepper. Move to a container with a lid, Ziploc bag, or you see me with a bowl here. After about 10 minutes, run them under cold water to easily remove the burnt skin, core, and seeds. You are left with this beautiful roasted poblano pepper. Chop it to a fine dice. Now melt the Tillamook butter in a warm pan. Don't cook it too high. It should be a gentle simmer. Add the garlic. Give it a stir. Let it simmer for a minute before adding the poblano pepper. Oh wait, here's the trick we use to make it better. Blend the poblano, add a splash of lime juice, which adds a little flavor and body to make it puree easier. Add the garlic here and pulverize it. You see, this smooth mixture will make the final mac and cheese even smoother. Let's start over with the butter. Heating on a medium temperature, it melts in a moment. Now just add the poblano puree and let it heat briefly. Add the white pepper and salt, followed by the cooked and cooled pasta. Heating the cooled pasta in this mixture heats it up but also slightly cooks the poblano and other flavors into the noodle. Add heavy cream and let it simmer for a moment. Heating it while stirring reduces it a little and further heats the noodles. Next is the magnificent Tillamook mild cheddar. Stir it in while heating will slowly melt the cheese while incorporating it in the cream base. Do you see some tools in the video that you would like to own? You can find links to it and other tools in the description below. Yes, even the equipment I used to make in this video, like the camera or lighting. With these links, you don't pay anything extra, but I do get credit for your purchase and I really appreciate it. A few of the items are the Trolle pasta, this Le Creuset cast iron pan, and the Ninja blender. Did you know that Thomas Jefferson is said to be the inventor of mac and cheese? At least amateur historians made that up and it spread. The first mention of pasta and cheese together dates back as far as 160 BCE by the Romans. Recipes for the noodles and cheese passed through Italy to France and Great Britain, but what we enjoy as mac and cheese today in America was from enslaved black women who worked in the kitchens, hands-on perfecting the recipes that would end up being printed. These are the cooks that are responsible for spreading the goodness of creamy macaroni and cheese. Yes! This is great! You love it. You've had it before. Now you've seen it made from scratch. Watch this video right up here next, because there's more of our recipes coming.